Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create any sided shape in Illustrator. First go to the toolbar on the left. You might see the rectangle tool. Click and hold it to reveal more shapes. Select the Polygon tool. If you want to precise control, just click once on the canvas. Then a dialog box will appear and enter the number of sides whichever you want. Suppose I want a octagon, so I'll type 8 number and adjust the radius if you want, and then hit OK. That's it, your custom shape is ready. Just click and drag to start making a shape, but there is a trick. Before letting it go, before you are clicking and finishing it, use the up and down arrow key while you are holding the mouse, the left click, right? Up arrow for the more shapes, like more sides, like hexagon, septagon, octagon, and for the down arrow, the fewer sides, like triangles, square, pentagon, right? Once you are happy with the shape, simply release the mouse. And that's it, your shape is ready. This is the easiest way to create triangles, pentagons, hexagons, octagons, and more sided of the shapes in Illustrator. Hope this is helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time.